Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about decision trees. Maybe we'll try to understand what is decision trees, how it looks like, right? So decision trees, is that like I can take decision with the help of trees? Maybe, let's check it out. We'll try to understand the decision tree with some example. A insurance company wants to provide a quote for a particular insurer, right? I mean, for a particular person, right? Maybe different type of health insurance like health insurance, life insurance, etc., etc., right? So now there are different parameters that we need to think, or the insurer wants to think for the final quote at the final price. Let's check it out. So we are taking one of the parameter like whether individual smoke or non-smoker. Okay, so based on this is one of the parameter. Based on this parameter, the insurer will decide how much premium he need to offer, right? Let's say for the particular insurance it is $100, right? So if it is a smoker and if he's a regular smoker, maybe I'll provide 5% more, on the final quote. Let's say if it is $100, actually the insurance price is $100, and if it is a regular smoker, maybe I will give him 5% more premium, extra premium, right? So 100 plus 5% more he need to pay, $100 plus 500% more. And if it is a occasional smoker, then he need to pay 2.5% more premium. Let's say if it is $100 for the premium, and he need to pay $100 plus 500, 2.5% extra. And let's say if it is a non-smoker, then he'll be paying the $100 itself, right, which is the actual price. And the another example is if the player will play or not, and the different weather conditions, right? Like if it is sunny and if it is a humidity, whether it will play or not. If it is a overcast, like right, with the player will not play the game. If it is a rainy, and again with the rainy, whether it's a wind, whether the player will play or not, right? Hope you understand now how we can interpret the decision trees. When you see the example of an insurance company, we took only one parameter, like whether the individual is a smoker or non-smoker, right? Again, in a smoker we have two more conditions like regular and non-regular, but there will be regular or occasional, yeah, but there will be a lot of parameters we need to consider for the final price, right, for the quote, right? So obviously we need to write lots of hundreds of if else condition. If it is a smoker, again inside an if, whether it's a regular smoker or occasional smoker. One more if, whether he's a non-smoker, right? What happens if I can build a decision tree and mine the data from the tree? The life will be easier, right? Yes, we can use decision tree as a data mining tool, right? So decision tree is the most powerful and popular ML algorithm for classification and regression. As we see some of the example like as we've seen, right? So some of the two of the example, one is the insurance and whether the player will play or not on different weather condition. It looks more of like a flow chart, right? So it will be easy to interpret by when I see this decision tree, I can easily understand. It's okay, say an individual, the smoke or not, if it's a smoke, the regular occasion, right? It is very easy to interpret, right? The decision trees you'll be able to easily understand because it's more of looks like a flow chart, right? Even when you talk about the machine learning algorithms, for the that we can use decision trees for both the classification and regression, and that's how your ML interpret these decision trees, right? So that's why I said like decision trees can be used for the data mining. Hope you enjoyed this video. In upcoming videos we'll take this particular data set and see how we can build the decision tree with the help of some statistical techniques like entropy, Gini, which is called measure of impurity, and information gain, etc. And we already seen the decision trees, how the decision trees looks like for this particular the data set. Yeah, this. So we'll see how we build how the outlook, right? So we have almost four independent column, one dependent column, right? And how outlook became a root node, right? And how humidity and others thing will become the child nodes, right? Which we will try to understand in our upcoming videos. So hope you enjoyed this video. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.